Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff up at deer camp, Mother's Day 2024, making the wife some breakfast. So we got another deer camp recipe. So I keep these hash brown patties, and I throw them on my griddle that my brother gave me and break them up. And I don't always get the corned beef hash, and I like corned beef hash, but I don't like how it turns out so watery like. But I've got a can of corned beef hash. A friend of mine gets it in his commodities, and we'll take and break that up with these other patties here that I've already got broken up, and we're going to just make some corned beef hash. It's my wife's favorite. So you just take your and incorporate all your corned beef into your potatoes. Now all this food is already pre-cooked, so it's not a big deal here. And then we'll just brown it a little bit. But yep, that's about all it takes. Look how nice and brown them potatoes are getting. And they were brown to begin with. Little salt and pepper. Don't usually need much salt. We'll taste it here as soon as we get it all mixed together. And but you can see it's not as soupy as the Hormel. I like this better myself, but we'll definitely put some pepper on it, maybe a little bit of onion powder. We'll see what we get. Alright, so didn't need any salt like I figured, but this is my wife's favorite, corned beef hash. And seeing as how it's Mother's Day, and she said she didn't want nothing else with it. Woo! Little corned beef hash for the wife. So another recipe from Deer Camp Cooking, and happy Mother's Day. And like I always say, God bless you and God bless America. And the Roomba just shut off.